me. You touch my wrist and your hand gon' freeze. Kitty on his hands and knees. Who you frontin' on? Come on, girl. I know you a rookie.
Found out that you bad for me. I found out that you had someone.
What's good, y'all? I'm Cam, and I hope you're having a great day because I'm having a bad hair day. I've actually had a bad hair week. Let me just show y'all what I'm working with. I had planned like this little twist out. It wasn't really supposed to be a twist out. It was going to turn into a ponytail. So I was going to put everything up, and it didn't come out dry before I had to go to work. So I had to put it up some type of way. Now, I didn't even take pictures because it was so bad. It's hard out here, man. It's really hard out here. I have to work tomorrow at 7:30, so I have less than 24 hours. It's 2 o'clock right now, 2 p.m. So I can't rely on like a twist out or a braid out right now. So I'm gonna try to do something I never done before. I don't know. We're gonna see how it turns out because I really don't want to have to resort to a bun, and I really want it to be dry by the time I wake up tomorrow. I'm going to try like I think, hopefully, if it come out right, I'm gonna try like 2 cornrows into a low ponytail. We gonna see if I can turn this into something, and if not, I'm gonna have to scrap this video and just wear a bun tomorrow. Let me just start with wetting my hair first. So I know it's gonna be a part straight down the middle, so I'm gonna try to start with that. I really look like a clown right now, yo. That's not straight. Y'all, I really just be guessing with my parts because I wear glasses and this mirror is too far for me to see. So this is my part. I hope that's straight. I really can't see. So I'm gonna just put this side up so I can focus on this side. Yesterday I put in, day before yesterday, I think I just put in leave-in oil and shea butter. So I'm only going to put in the oil, some shea butter on my ends, and then gel. And I'll be using extra virgin olive oil. My go-to extra virgin olive oil. So yeah. So I'm gonna start with adding some of that to help detangle my hair. Y'all probably seen me in this jacket before. I think I'm gonna just start. I think all my hair videos may be in this jacket because I got stains on it from wiping off a car. I fell in it a couple times. It's falling apart basically. It's easy to take off and I don't care about it getting wet or anything. So I may just start doing my hair in it. I can just like, you may see me in every video with this on. I don't know yet. And I'm gonna start to detangle. I will finger detangle a little bit, but I have been using this brush a lot. It's a detangling brush that I got from Target. It works pretty good. Starting from the ends, working my way up. And I don't know if y'all can see like some of this white stuff at the bottom. That's definitely product from yesterday. And I always want to make sure I can go from my roots to my end without any snags. I'm gonna do my sides real quick. Now that this is all detangled, I'm just gonna add everything I was talking about. I add some more oil. I'm gonna add some shea butter closer to the ends of my hair. Let me just show y'all how much hair came out, because it's not a lot. I know some of y'all may be worried about me using a brush because I always talk about brushes, but this is a detangling brush. Oh, I ain't show y'all the shea butter, hold on. 100% natural African shea butter, the yellow kind. And now for the gel, I'll be using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink, Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating curling gel. Y'all really don't know how this is about to be with these cornrows, cause my sides, this could just be a fail altogether, to be honest. I'm gonna take the soft side of this brush and just smooth everything downward. All right, so now I'm about to start. This is about to be the moment of truth, y'all. We about to see what's about to happen. I'm going to start cornrowing. I don't want to go straight back, but I'm not that good at going at angles. So we about to see what happens. Trying to stay positive. I hope I got the hair for this. As you can see, this don't look good. So I may switch up entirely and try my hand with a style that has to dry. Nah, this ain't not hair. I'm about to do some more cornrows, but they're about to be individual cornrows. Surprise, it's just turned into a braid out. I want to do these instead of regular braids because I'm thinking about the takedown process. You don't have to separate once you take them down. Okay, so scrap that idea. This is about to turn into a wash and go. I'm gonna just flat twist this out the way real quick. So I've never really done a wash and go before. So we about to see what happens. And since it's not a fresh wash and go, I don't really know if it's still considered a wash and go, because I'm not about to do nothing but add gel. I'm not about to take the brush all the way up because I don't want my hair to shrink up, because it does every time I use that brush. I'm gonna just take a little bit of this section, add some gel to it, and I don't got a lot of gel, so this was quicker than the braids anyways. Maybe I should have started with this. Maybe I should start doing wash and goes, honestly. Alright, y'all, this is coming out okay, I guess. I'm not trying to put too much water in here because I don't want it to shrink up that much, even though I know it still will. Let me do this side real quick, and I'm gonna still add the same products that I was adding. Adding the oil. Flat twist these sides really quick as well. Oh, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but like I'm raking, shingling, and doing praying hands because I didn't add a lot of product, especially not today. I'm just relying on old product and this gel, so I'm really trying to get a little bit of definition as much as I can possibly get. And all those three methods usually help me. This would probably be sweet like after a good wash day, after like protein or moisture treatment. I'm gonna let this dry for about an hour, and then I'm gonna come back with a blow dryer to try to stretch it out a little bit, and then just let it dry and be back tomorrow. So here's how my hair's looking. I haven't blow dried it yet. Yeah, it's still pretty wet. I'm not trying to touch it too much because I don't want that much frizz to happen. Got this little blow dryer. It is little. So I'ma just pull and stretch a little bit. Not for a long time because I be getting tired when I blow dry my hair, which I don't do often. That's probably why I be getting tired. So I'm gonna just do that for a little bit. But for a little bit. And yeah. So my camera is about to die. So if it does die, you guys see what I've been doing. I've just been stretching, pulling certain sections and letting the heat get on it. It's not that hot. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that to my whole head. And camera's probably gonna shut off while I'm doing it. But yeah. I think I'm gonna part the middle section up with like a scrunchie and then just stretch the under section. And now the top section. I don't know what I'm doing, but it is getting drier. So I'm gonna just leave it alone and just keep letting the air dry. And I'll be back right before I go to work tomorrow and try to show y'all how it looks in the morning. Don't know how I'm gonna sleep, so I can't tell you guys right now. But yeah, I'm surprised this thing did not die yet. I was kind of rushed this morning, so I didn't want to make sure I came back, let you guys know this is how my hair was looking. This is after my shift, and I had to go somewhere else really quickly. It is hot outside. I don't know why I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, and I wore that jacket that's on my bed. But alright, I'm gonna just give y'all another 360.
I'm keep sandwich, baby.
Today is the last day that I will be wearing this wash and go down. At least I think I'm about to put it up. It actually does look kind of bad because I wore it up into a ponytail a couple times. But if I would have left it down, it probably would look better. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Have a good day.